Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showcasing this new trophy truck. The suspension is by Rocky to the suspension. So I'm gonna test it out, and I made this body for him. I just gotta give it to him. So it does pretty well. So this truck body is based off of a K5 Chevy. It's a little slow going up the hills, but it just doesn't have a lot of power cores because the complexity is just all the way up. If I had more complexity, I would add a lot more stuff. Like, I'll probably find a way to add tires in the rear. But nonetheless, the suspension is amazing. Give all credit for the suspension to Rocky. Takes this jump pretty smooth. Doesn't bounce. Just takes it. So, there's all these other jumps. Now this jump coming up here is, I think, one of the smoothest jumps it's going to have. I think this one is one of the smoothest ones because it just, smooth. Doesn't really do anything. So. These transitions are just multiple clips, and I just made it to where they look similar, but I mean, yeah. All over, this suspension is amazing. Shout outs to Rocky for the suspension. So this will be the end of the video. Bye, Trail Makers.